National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for South Central Woodford County, Central Tazewell County, West Central McLean County, South Central Peoria County, until 11 p.m. At 10:37 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Pekin, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Marquette Heights, Bartonville, Creve Coeur, and Pekin around 10:40 p.m. Tremont, East Peoria, and Morton around 10:45 p.m. Mackinac, Goodfield, and Deer Creek around 10:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Congerville, North Pekin, Dillon, Mapleton, Powhatan, Groveland, and Kingston Mines.